Oh shit. Small fire. That's it. This is it, guys. 1978 Sea Ray 24 foot. As you can see, it needs a little bit of love. I'm gonna buy a new boat, but I shouldn't. Bad decision, but my heart says I couldn't. Party on the lake, yeah, that's the vision. So now we're gonna start washing this beast. As you can see, I've got the cover laid out. I've got some Dawn dish soap sprayed on there, letting it soak in before I kind of blast it off with the pressure washer. I've got everything out of the inside, including the anchors and everything. We've got our foam cannon with our Hot Shot Shine Supply car wash soap. I've got a little bit of it here in this bucket. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this bucket up, and then I'm gonna start washing from the inside out. First things first, gotta get rid of all that dirt and moldy stuff off of the interior. It's not even mold really, it's just dirt. But it was kind of wet in there. The guy washed it before we came to look at the boat. It was all wet in the driveway, unfortunately, and it was all wet inside in the front and all over. So gotta suck all that water out after we wash everything. All right, so I've let some Dawn dish soap sit on this surface, so it's penetrating through, eating up all the grease and grime and God knows what else.
Good enough for baby ducks, good enough for me, oh good.
I'm gonna hose it down right now, get all the soap off. Oh, I should come to this side first, dang it.
Take Dumbo back inside.
All right, now I'm gonna wash down the inside of the cabin area. Probably should have taken my glasses off first before I got all up in here.
That's enough of that.
Yeah, cleaned up good, Kevin.
Yep.
It's a nice looking boat, actually.
Not too shabby, huh?
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby.
Yeah.
All right, we're on our way to Costco. Get some batteries. New batteries secured.
Sorry we didn't give you guys that.
Yeah, we didn't film any of that. It was kind of confusing in there, and there was a guy wearing a mask.
Alright guys, got some water, got some carrots, got some stuff. We're on our way back to our car from nice Vallarta. All the good stuff.
Alright, so we're just putting the new batteries in. So you can see this one is in a terrible spot to get to.
I don't know why it's not over there. I also don't know why we have 3 batteries in here.
More power, baby.
Yeah.
Bigger, more powerful. So
There's no accessories in this thing. It's just the motor. That's pretty much it. That's it.
Start, come on.
Huh? What the hell does that mean?
Hurry.
I know, it needs a prime up. Oh shit. Small fire. What the hell is it even burning? Ah! Seems on fire somehow. Turn the water off. We don't even have it running. Oh, it backfired. What the hell? Yep. Okay, go ahead.
What, you got a fire extinguisher just in case?
Yeah, go ahead.
You want me to go grab it?
Go ahead. It's right there in the cab.
Stop.
Something smells like an electrical fire. Alright, so now I'm just kind of basically force feeding it with gas to make it run. Hopefully it primes up the fuel pump and does it by itself. It was idling a little bit by itself. So we'll see here. Alright. Okay, go ahead. It's good. Hang on. I'm out of gas. Good.
Little mishap here.
Oops, backfired. Literally.
Oops. Okay, well.
Alright, just reattaching all the fuel lines I took off to clean out. And hopefully fire right up. That might have been all the good gas. Just ran out.
It ran for a while. That's a good sign.
So, but I mean, that might just be what was in there, unfortunately. Fire it back up.
Yeah, it's bad gas. We figured out it was either the carb or gas. Cleared all that bad gas straight out of the system, filled it with some fresh gas.
Frustration stuff, put that shit aside, dog.
And we figured out it's bad gas.
Yes.
So
So now
gonna
we're
get
not
it
gonna-
off here and pump
not
it
gonna-
all out.
We're not gonna feed this engine no more crap gas.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
Tripping.
Now this is epic.